Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to use these chunky nail art things to do these nails, and I really like how they turned out. So if you're interested to see how I did these, then keep on watching. So today's video is going to be very exciting for me anyways, because I'm finally going to be using the chunky, cute, very Japanese inspired nail art. I've been waiting so long to get my hands on these. I had ordered these a really long time ago. I don't even remember when. It's probably been months, and they've only just arrived. So yes, this has been a super long awaited video, and yeah, I just have so many looks in mind with these, and today I actually received some more things, which is really good. So I will be sharing that with you in my next video. But as always, I'm applying base coat to my nails and curing, and today I'm going to be doing the lazy girl method, which is where you basically just fill the underside of a nail tip with polygel or gel or anything that you want really, and then put it on your nail before it cures. So before I do that, I'm gonna shape up these nail tips a little bit more. I'm using the Macart 180 grit file to further crispen up the edges and make the stiletto shape more pointy. These are the Macart, I believe, medium or short stiletto nail tips, and you can use my code nailedbyk for 15% off at checkout, and I will have that down in the description. And the polygels that I'm using today are from, oh, I forgot, I think it's the Eber Rouge polygel kit, which I really like. They're basically nice shimmery gel polishes, which are really nice and like almost pastelish, I guess. But yeah, they're really nice. Like, they're not super opaque colors, and I was really inspired by this black, and I was kind of going for like a goth / pink vibe, which doesn't look too much like that in the end, but I just really wanted to get this shimmery grey / black on my nail. I just think it looked so cute with the pink. It was just such a nice different contrast, and I'm really happy that I chose this black. So with this method, you want to basically apply the polygel to the inside of the nail tip, and then I use my polygel brush and base coat a slip solution, and then I basically just even that out. Make sure that you apply this nice and thin, because with full cover nail tips, these are not going to be the same as dual forms, which have like an apex and a structure. These ones are a little bit more flat, and will give you kind of like a nail that's a bit thinner compared to like thicker with structure. So you don't want to press down too much, and if you're not going to press down too much, you don't want to apply too much polygel on the underneath side of the nail tip, because if you do, then it will squeeze way too much out on the edges and it will just be a mess, and then you'll have to clean it up and then a file. So just go with less, and when you put it on and you might see that there's a spot missing, then you can just fill that in with polygel rather than having to clean it up, which means then that I then have to file over the whole thing. So yeah, definitely try to apply as thin as possible, and don't forget to smooth out the underside. If you if you did actually accidentally put too much at the tip, because that definitely does happen to me a lot. And this pink is really stunning. I think I've used this before. I've also done an unboxing / review of the Eber Rouge, I really hope I'm saying that right, that's just like off the top of my head, kit. So I will be linking that down below. I really like this kit. It's just so nice. Like, they're just like, they kind of remind me of like those shimmery bath bombs that you get. They're just so nice. So yeah, this method is just super quick and super easy. I really like doing this method when I want a quick set, but the reason why I chose this method today was because I literally was like, I want to get these nail charms on my nails and see how they look, and I thought to myself, well, this is going to be the quickest way because I don't have to apply the tip and then, you know, kind of make sure that I've got a nice smooth even surface. The good thing about this method is that it does that all for you. So once I flip the nail around and place it on my nail, of course the surface is going to be super smooth, already done. I don't even need to file it. Again, if you apply a thin amount and nothing squeezes out from the sides, you don't have to file. And I definitely did not file because I don't really like to file. And I always try to apply my Polygel or whatever I'm using as smooth as I can to reduce or like avoid filing, because I don't really like the process of filing. But yeah, this black I think looked really cool with the pink. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Let me know what you think of this method too. I really have been enjoying this method. I have done it a couple times on my channel. It's quite new, it's quite recent to me. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I will be having another Polygel kit unboxing soon. So if you are interested to see what that's about, it's going to be really exciting, then please hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget your bell icon. And also, if you are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really means a lot. And don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section below to let me know if you also love this method, or maybe if you're a beginner, would you try this method? You know, it's not as scary as it looks. It's definitely a super nice beginner friendly type way to start doing polygel nails, definitely. And with these charms, I feel like because they're so big, I guess some of them, not all of them, I feel like these will look so much nicer with the extra long nails, which I'm like dying to get my hands on, but yeah, it's just not happening right now. So I might just see if like AliExpress has some. I don't know how quick they might ship, but I was looking into the Macart ones, but currently they're out of stock, which is kind of annoying. And yeah, so I might see if AliExpress is doing some. And this is pretty much it for the nails. Like the base of it's just those colors, and I really like how simple you can go with polygel and then really decorate them up with like crystals, foils, glitters, chunky nail art like this. And this was so cute. I got this from AliExpress. It basically came with like a bunch of chunky nail art. You can also use this to make like phone cases as well. And I got a bunch of sweets, a bunch of cakes, cupcakes, lollipops. I got these gummy bears, which are actually gummy and soft to squeeze, which is super cute. I totally fell in love with these as soon as I saw them. They've got donuts, and yeah, I was just so happy with what I got. And I don't have a lot of my Macart clear polygel left, so I'm using the Vrenmore clear builder gel, which I also did a video on. I did some plastic wrap nails with these, and those came out really nice. So I will be linking that down in the description box below as well. And now I'm just sticking on the chunky nail pieces and hoping that some of these will cure well, because some of these were like not clear, and I don't know, I wasn't sure how the light was going to penetrate through. So definitely try to tilt your fingers to the side so at least the light catches the side of the gel. So try to add a bit of a thick layer. I'm finishing off with my Macart top coat, and don't forget the underneath, because these aren't like your traditional nail tips. These are full cover tips, so the polygel is exposed underneath, and if you can set that with top coat, then that will definitely prevent like any dirt getting stuck under there, or any I don't know, just anything really. It just helps it be clean, I guess. So I'm just finishing off with my cuticle oil. This is an almond cuticle oil, and this is it for the finished look. I really like how these came out. I'm definitely getting used to how heavy these charms kind of feel on my fingers, but yeah, really cute. Love these. Let me know what you think down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.